Bravo represents a revolutionary approach to microbiome restoration. Unlike conventional probiotics that contain a handful of bacterial strains, Bravo is a comprehensive microbiome restoration system featuring over 300 probiotic strains working in synergy. What sets Bravo apart is its unique complexity. While standard probiotics offer limited diversity, Bravo provides a complete ecosystem of beneficial microorganisms, carefully formulated to restore and maintain optimal gut health. The Bravo product line includes 4 specialized formulations. Bravo Yogurt and Bravo Concentrate provide live, active cultures for daily microbiome support. For those seeking convenience, freeze-dried Bravo capsules offer the same powerful probiotic benefits in a shelf-stable format. Additionally, Bravo Skin Cream extends these microbiome benefits to topical applications. Each product is meticulously formulated with detailed supplement facts, ensuring transparency and quality in every dose. The scientific foundation of Bravo lies in its exceptional microbiome biodiversity. Freeze-dried Bravo capsules contain a carefully selected array of bacterial strains, each contributing unique benefits to gut health and immune function. Research published in leading immunology journals has documented the genetic characteristics and therapeutic potential of these specific bacterial strains. This scientific validation underscores Bravo's evidence-based approach to microbiome restoration. Among Bravo's most remarkable components is GMAF, a powerful immune system activator. GMAF has garnered significant attention in medical research, with numerous studies published on PubMed exploring its potential in cancer treatment and immune modulation. Equally important are bacteriophages, nature's precision instruments. These friendly viruses selectively target and eliminate harmful bacteria while preserving beneficial microorganisms. This targeted approach represents a sophisticated advancement in microbiome management. The therapeutic potential of bacteriophages extends beyond basic microbiome balance. Recent scientific literature has documented their role in microbial medicine, demonstrating their ability to selectively target pathogenic bacteria without disrupting beneficial flora. Moreover, emerging research suggests bacteriophages may play a role in cancer treatment, offering a novel approach to targeting malignant cells through microbial mechanisms. These findings represent an exciting frontier in integrative oncology. Another fascinating component of Bravo is bifidobacteria, which have demonstrated remarkable potential in targeting solid tumors. Scientific reviews have elucidated the mechanisms by which these beneficial bacteria can selectively colonize tumor environments. This targeted approach offers therapeutic potential by leveraging the natural tumor-homing properties of specific bacterial strains. The implications for cancer treatment are profound and warrant continued investigation. Finally, Bravo serves as a powerful detoxification tool. Clinical case reports have documented significant reductions in heavy metals and environmental toxins following Bravo supplementation. These toxins, often associated with cancer development and chronic inflammation, can be effectively addressed through microbiome restoration. The data demonstrates Bravo's capacity to support the body's natural detoxification pathways, offering a comprehensive approach to reducing toxic burden and promoting optimal health.